In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a menu to a Facebook business page. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch from your personal profile to your Facebook business page. This is important because the menu post needs to be published directly from the business page, not from your personal account. After that, open your Facebook business page so you are on the main page view. From there, look for the Create Post option. Click on Create Post to begin making a new post for your menu, product catalog, or price list. Next, choose the photo or video option. This will let you upload images from your device. Select the menu images, product catalog pages, or price list photos that you want to share with your customers. Make sure you choose the correct files and give Facebook a moment to upload everything fully. Once the images are uploaded, add a caption to your post. In this caption, clearly describe what customers are seeing in the images. You can mention your available products, menu items, services, or prices. Keep the text simple and direct so it is easy to understand. If customers can place orders online, this is also the right place to include ordering instructions. You can tell people how to order, where to message you, or add a link to your online store or ordering page if you have one. This helps turn the menu post into something useful and actionable for visitors. Before publishing, review the entire post carefully. Check that the images are sharp, easy to read, and arranged in the correct order. This is especially important if your menu has multiple pages. A clear and organized post will make it much easier for customers to browse your offerings. When everything looks good, click Post to publish the menu to your Facebook business page. After the post goes live, return to your page and confirm that it appears correctly. Take a final look to make sure the images display properly and the caption is visible and complete. This method works well for restaurants, cafés, bakeries, and other businesses that want to share a visual menu quickly using regular Facebook posts. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.